Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we will see how to fix email not showing after sending on iPhone. Nowadays lot of iPhone users facing this issue, like once the email sent, then emails not showing. So here's some solutions that I will show you in this video. Please watch this full video to learn how it works. Now let's get started to fix this issue, and the very first solution is sign out and sign in back. Sign out of your mail app on your iPhone. First of all go to settings, then here scrolling down type on mail. Next here tap on accounts. Now tap on Gmail and here tap on delete account. Again tap on delete from my iPhone. After deleting your account, sign in again and just follow the process that you did when you added this address to your mail app. So that's how easily you can fix the issue. Now we'll see second solution, and the second solution is ask before deleting. So yeah, you can also toggle on ask before deleting from settings to go to mail settings. To do this, first of all go to settings, then here tap on mail and here you can see ask before deleting option. Simply turn toggle on next to ask before deleting. So also this solution can fix the issue for emails not showing after sending on iPhone. Now we will see third solution. Third solution is force restart your iPhone. To do this, first of all press volume up button, then press volume down button. Also press power on or off button at the same time. When the Apple logo appears, then release all button and it will easily force restart your iPhone. This will also help you to fix the issue for emails not showing after sending on your iPhone. If you are still having problems or any query about this, then you can ask me in the comment section. I hope this video will be helpful for all of you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.